Yarr. What's happening, my people? So it's your boy Chance Jolivette, aka Smooth, back with another video. So today, got a special unboxing. Actually, I have two, but it's not going to be both in this video. But stay tuned to the channel, subscribe or whatever. You'll see both of them before the night is through. But anyways, sneaker unboxing. I don't know what company this is from. I don't know where until I'm going to open it up. But you're going to see that very shortly. But new shoes, cue up the music.
New shoes, new shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
Now let's check it out, man. Let's see what we got. Okay. So, got this box right here. That's why I couldn't tell you what this is, because like I just see FedEx and stuff. Like, But, we're going to crack into it, man. Let's go quickly. Okay, so we see regular smegular Jordan box, Jordan 1 box. So don't know what these are or something. Y'all let me know what this is. Let me before I check it out. Alright, so hopefully you've seen the information and stuff. Blase. Let's crack it open. Okay, so these are some upcoming ones that people are kind of hyped about. We don't. Alright. So, Khaled was seen rocking these and stuff, man. Check it out. So, reimagined joints. Reimagined Jordan 1s. You see how I'm kind of covering up the front or whatever, because you see, like, material-wise, these looking good. I know it's been topic of conversation. Like, is this gonna be like a flat nubuck? Some pairs look like a flat nubuck. Some pairs look like more of a grainy suede. This looks more of like a grainy suede, especially on the blue. Looks very good. I think Khaled pair looks pretty smooth. So that's what really confused pairs. People don't know if that's friends and family or if it was just. But from pictures, these things look good. The colorway, beautiful and everything. The one thing about this pair right here is like the toe box isn't bad. Like the toe box is pretty good, but like from some pictures there, like the toe box is like super slanty. Like I think more slanty than this. Like the toe box be looking like that on the pairs on the pictures that I seen. But this toe box looks pretty good. It looks better than I thought. Then I seen on the original picture from like the quality control pictures and stuff, man. So put this to the side, man. Got the extra blue laces and stuff, man. So that is a good thing. I would stick with the black laces, me personally. And before I continue with the video, man, I like to show love. If somebody sends me a shoe, they go out their way to send this and keep the channel cranking out content and stuff, man. This comes from Yupkicks. So if y'all want to know where these from or whatever, Yupkicks, man. Appreciate y'all, man. I'm pretty sure they probably got a promo code or something. If you use Chance or something, you probably get like $10 off, $15 off, something like that. But anyways, so let's jump into the shoe. Let's check out some of the details. You see that Nike check has a very grainy suede to it, man. Looks very nice. The black is nice, but it's kind of smooth. It's pretty smooth, like a nubuck material. The blue is a very plush suede, man. Very grainy, hairy. I like that. It's not like super hairy suede. Like you see some suedes be like a little bit more rugged, but it is very nice. The blue pops. I like the blue that they chose to use on the shoe. See the Jordan Wings logo, man. You see how that thing looking? Like, I like the way that it looks mixed in with the suede and stuff, man. Very dope. Check out the toe box. Toe box is looking good. Those dots and stuff like that. Like, it's a very plain shoe, but it's a very iconic shoe. The bottom of it, usually like a Reimagined or something, you expect like a really dirty looking sail or something like that. But to me, it looks white. It looks white. So it could. I think this is white. It's not the sale that they usually using and stuff, man, on all these shoes nowadays. The laces, the way that these came, I don't know if that's exactly how they're gonna come. They got the X on them. That's the way they're laced up. So, and you gotta finish lacing them yourself or whatever. You know how it is with the Jordan 1s or whatever. The bottom, very plain. You know, a Jordan 1 bottom. Jordan 1 is a Jordan 1. These are very dope, man. These are a classy, very classy shoe. Nylon tongue, Nike Air on the tongue, man. Beautiful. These right here, they're gonna go crazy. They're gonna go crazy. Whenever these actually dropping stuff, man, they gonna sell out. Like Jordan 1s have kind of, I don't want to say fell off, but they have so many. I guess people are kind of picking and choosing what they buying now. So you can find some dope ones that still will be on the shelves for a little while. These right here, I doubt these really be on the shelves. I don't know if the resale price is going to be like super high, like right away. Maybe like in a year from now. But I think whenever they drop, they're going to be a little bit over retail. You might could get them like a week out after they drop. Maybe. But I would say if you want these, definitely try to get on them as quick as possible. And if you want to stunt like super early or whatever, like a company like Yupkicks, man, you can hit like somebody like that up or whatever and do your thing. Check out the inside. These right here in particular come with a shoe tree, and they got blue Nike Air with a black insole on them. So that is what they looking like, man. Gonna lace these up and put these on feet. Appreciate y'all for checking out the video, man. Hopefully I'm able to help y'all. Hopefully you enjoy the content. Just like the early looks, man. Just like to see something in hand. See something in hand rather than looking at pictures and stuff. But that's my goal, and just drop content. But anyways, man, like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated. Holla at your boy. Peace. And the on foot. Like if I'm looking tacky or something, man, I ain't changing. I ain't changing. I'm rocking what I got. So just be happy with the on foot. Peace.
What's up, Trey?